Hi guys, Tech James here. So we're only 10 days into 2019 and there's already been 6 new classic games ported onto the PS Vita. So these are all like homebrew games, they aren't like official or anything like that, but they all work pretty well. So these are all like classic games which would run on like old PCs or like old consoles and stuff like that. So yeah, they're actually pretty good. I will leave the links to all of them in the description of this video. I won't be installing every game because that's just going to take a long time, but they're pretty much exactly the same for installing each one. So if you guys want to get some of these classic ports, you want to go ahead and just open up Vita Shell, tap on start, and then once Vita Shell loads up, you want to press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so over on your computer, I will leave all the links to the ports in the description of this video, and as you can see there is 6 of them, so 6 ports in 10 days of 2019 is actually pretty cool. So the first one we have got here is just Freeway Mutant. This is kind of like I guess it's like a flash game. I actually remember playing this, which is pretty cool. So I actually want to get this one, so all we're going to do is scroll down and just click on the Freeway Mutant _zip file, and that will begin downloading. So this is pretty much the only one I'm really interested in getting, but there is some other ones on here. There is Postal if you guys want to get this. If you do get Postal, you will need the contents of the Steam game files, so just keep that in mind if you do want to play this. But there are some like comments telling you how to set it up exactly. So yeah, Postal is a pretty good one. We've also got Wii ERO, not too sure what that is, but apparently it's a classic game. This was only released 4 days ago, and as you can see, it has a data file and a VPK file, so you will need to install the data file in your data folder. I will show you how to do that. We've also got HexGem. This is kind of like Bejeweled Blitz, I guess, so that's just a VPK file by itself. There's this game, Mertius. Haven't really heard of this before, but apparently it looks quite interesting, and the download folder or the download link is here if you guys want to get Mertius. And then the last game on the list is just an untitled story, and their download link for this one is right there. So yeah, pretty interesting. 6 new homebrew games all released in 2019. So if you guys get the games you want to head over to your downloads folder and you'll be able to find them in here. So here's mine. I'm just going to right click and then select extract here. It's going to extract it into my VPK file, which I'm just going to drag and drop on the root of my PS Vita. So if any of these file like games come with data folders, you will want to put them inside of the data folder on your PS Vita. So as you can see, the stuff just goes up here. So yeah, pretty simple. And now I'm just going to go back onto my PS Vita. I'll install this VPK and I will show you guys some gameplay. Okay, so back on your PS Vita, we can now close out of this message. Let's go onto the UXO and let's install the VPK I got. So here it is, Freeway Mutants. Press X and then X again, and it should start installing. So I'm just going to press X one more time, and there you go. Now it's going to install. Just give it a couple of seconds. And then once it has done installing, you can just close out of Vita Shell. So let's just close out of it. And now let's just find the app on my home screen. So here it is, Freeway Mutant. I'm just going to tap on it and then just tap on start. So this game is exactly like the PC port. It's pretty much exactly the same thing. It's just ported over. So we're just going to turn up the volume a bit and let me show you. So this one does use touch controls, which is actually really cool. So yeah, this game you can only control it with the touchscreen. You can't actually control it with like the joypad or anything like that. This is actually a like touchscreen game, I guess. I'm pretty sure I've played this like quite a long time ago. I kind of remember it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Obviously that was actually impossible, that part. I'm pretty sure I couldn't have avoided that. But yeah, you guys might remember this game. It was quite popular, I'd say back in maybe like 2012, maybe like 2013. You can craft stuff, and yeah, it's really nicely ported over to the PS Vita. For a free game that's basically like really small in size, I'd definitely recommend getting it. Obviously I'm just failing a bit now. It is quite awkward how I'm kind of playing it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool game, so if you want it, I would definitely recommend getting it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys all of these brand new ports, which just came out in the past 10 days really, which is actually really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.